Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to export videos on CapCut without watermark on it. So the first thing you gotta do is load your project, and the second step is to make sure what videos are you gonna export. Whether you gotta export from the first frame until the last frame. And then after you make sure what you're gonna export, click the export button on the right side. So all you gotta do is to make sure the settings on the videos you gonna export later. After that, you can click or check the checkbox on the remove watermark. So in these following steps, you gotta log in into your Facebook account or Google account. And then after you logged in into your account, you can export the videos without the watermark, surely. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.